Yeah, twas one. We are making bread be an open can say, me maka, na mesa can be say. On original stage, Sani pass 5 hours non stop. What the bema will be sasa wire, ain't trouble about what maybe see. Take one so then cry after her say, young country mo say, focus on Shatta Wale's talent, not his character. Now, when I'm busy article one say, character bear, eh? Be an native and be an only a besties are any more. Be no character because we don't character bear. Huh? Shatta Wale, or a very talented young guy. Say, yeah, nanny. More yes, say, a settings now, all ye na one, it's a car naba. Oh, was a car They say, yeah, baby drew. And they say, why a settings man? No. And the question for the girls. Because now the car is in. Your tone class a settings, no. And I say, so yeah, to be a man and say, it's a car naba. And they say, who is a settings man? It's in Rolls Royce, and the young bedroom Ghana. Say, no, the other say, be our best when you pass it. Oh, Miss me a big arty, be a Mikushua, I mean, Chicaka, all I know. Ah, what am I the car never mouth? Hey, yeah. Yeah, go to theatre one by a bar. Mensaka me proper give you a hasi and come on. A bay a humanate. Shabras say.
What do you think is the problem? Why they are not getting there?
Me, I think
is
Ghana is mostly into respect. On say minor yes, or so for boomer way back. I think it's about time we have to forget the artist's character and draw another agenda of pushing the artist's talent, regardless, because artist character. DJ Slim, Bibi Oyemua, a different. Me team cram it me the yomo. Sometimes spirit no a different. A BB a star. Entiana a different. So handling Obia oye emphasis public person.
Yeah.
Money na handling you people no a different. Once the DJ Slim to me they top on social media. But me no okay. What ha? Omo to street. Difference ni a big go. Eh bibi intina ya select go nkwa asi pra and ya select articles on nkwa dem on nkwa inti the nation should forget about
the character.
Character need the
what if the character itself is leading to this destruction of the whole ecosystem? What if
any character nankasa no ani jejireje?
Should the so-called gatekeepers allow that person's character to destroy the whole ecosystem?
No. I think we should balance it.
Okay.
We should balance it.
Okay.
The truth is, handling somebody who is too characteristics, like a bad thing. Ebia almost na omuntimi ana parking. But me to me talent be on. Share the character and say, hey, character no dey but Charlie guy no. Me I feel say character no so kan adwuma no.
Okay.
Person my body but only me amechire no.
Me share them.
DJ Slim let here no. Ntimi dem person my body. Me body.
Me hu.
What's the character na kan adwuma no?
Me hu.
Yeah, papa. Me am godfather.
Na sa question ya na mpese me bisa mpani for message money dem respectfully. Na why na mama sa title no? Gatekeepers no. Na no na ho amoa. Because I have to gatekeepers will be one the talent and yame at their channel. Also, two who gatekeeper. So, we to put him. Hey, Ghana. A modo.